Audio Jungle.
Introduce our guest here and our chief guest, Mr. V. Nandakumar, IRS. He is the additional student community. And also, I am very happy to invite Mr. Deepak Praveen from Greenchance family. He is the COO of Greenchance Salons. I also would like to welcome Mr. Nabin Bani. He is the Academy Greenchance Academy head, heading Academy team. And I would also like to invite our franchisee partner, Mr. Karthik. So we have now gathered here to inaugurate the 4th Greenchance Academy. It is the first franchisee Greenchance Academy, and we are very happy about it, and we welcome Mr. Karthik for a grand success. Now I'd like to invite our chief guest to share a few words and motivate us all.
இப்பெல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய ஆல்டர்னேட் ப்ரொஃபஷன் வந்து தேட வேண்டியதா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா an entrepreneur, so then they can establish their own kingdom by this academic orientation. So I wish everyone and the academy great success. Thank you.
Thanking all of you to take the time off and be part of our academy launch. As you know, like the chief guest mentioned, this is a huge future opportunity for the entire country and a brand like Greenchance and the entire salon industry. The salon industry is growing in double-digit growth. So what has been driving this growth in the last couple of years is the need to look good, look presentable is been increasing, and across categories we are seeing the younger population. India is a country with a lot of young population, and since they are the biggest consumers of the market, the need to look better, groom better across all categories is growing. And what better place to make you look good other than salon? So with the industry growing in double-digit growth, an equal opportunity is there for manpower, because every salon is operated by skilled manpower. And even if you look at Greenchance as a brand with close to 400 salons and about 4,000 plus people working, there's a huge need for manpower. So an academy as a business and salon as an industry, both are going to grow hand in hand. With the salon business growing in double digits and the need for manpower growing, there's a huge opportunity for an academy to be a place where it will create entrepreneurs who will probably go out and become standalone beauticians or stylists, or they will feed the need for the salon business. So I'm not only talking about Greenchance. Any professional salon coming into the market needs manpower, and the academy will be a point of source for recruitment. So within the division, within Kevin Care Strengths division, we have 2 businesses which are contributing to the growth of the organization, and within India as a market, with the salon business growing, both these divisions would have a very, very strong future. And this is going to be also opening up a huge opportunity for youngsters who are looking at alternate careers rather than going into working in IT sector or an engineer or doctor. This gives an opportunity for them to develop their artistic skills and also make good money, because this is a high paying industry as well. So thank you once again, and Mr. Nabin would, who heads the academy, would give you a more detailed insight on how this business is a huge growth opportunity for the future. Thank you.
Greenchance Academy ceremony. We have Mr. Karthik, who is the first franchisee partner on board. And on this occasion, I would like to thank Mr. Nandakumar sir, who has given his time to be a part of this ceremony and make honor us with his presence. And in the particular event, Nandakumar sir prefer panna he is basically a motivational speaker for students who has the aspirants to come up in life. நிறைய பேருக்கு அவங்களுடைய முயற்சியை வந்து ஊக்குவிக்கிற வகையில் he has spoken a lot of things. இது ப்ரொஃபஷனல் கோர்சஸ் யூபிஎஸ்சி அந்த மாதிரி சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும் பொருந்தாது. மேபி இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல்டுக்கும் வேர் தெர் இஸ் அ ஸ்கோப் promising scope there for the students. ஏன்னா இப்போதைக்கு சலூனுடைய தேவைகள் அதிகமாகுது, grooming and beauty services demand is more across the people, so we need to supply more professional, qualified professional to the society, and the reason that we have started Green Trends Academy. So that's why we wanted to Mr. Nandakumar sir to infuse his thoughts in this line of business. Thank you so much again, sir. And at this moment, I would like to thank Mr. Nabin Panik and Mr. Deepak Praveen, who has been the backbone of Green Trends Salon, and also Mr. Gopalakrishnan sir, who is the business head of Kevin Care Private Limited Trends Division. இவங்க 3 பேரும் தான் இப்போதைக்கு ஒரு தூண் மாதிரி இருந்து இந்த பிசினஸ் இப்போ இவ்வளவு வளர்ந்த அளவுக்கு they are the reason. And Green Trends எதனால் ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்டதுன்றது, I mean இனிஷியலாக அன்ஆர்கனைஸ்டாக இருந்த இந்த ஃபீல்டில் முதல் முறையாக மக்களுக்கு ஒரு 100 rupees 150 rupeesல வந்து ஒரு சலூன், ஒரு ஹை எண்ட் சலூன் எஃபெக்ட் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு அப்ஜெக்டிவோட வந்தது. Now it has come to the academy part. So நிறைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இங்கே ஜாயின் பண்ணணும், உங்களுடைய சப்போர்ட்டே எங்களுக்கு தேவை. On this meeting, I thank you all for your presence. Thanks a lot.
Two in Tamil Nadu, one in Odisha, and coming up many. But always first, give a special, applaud. So I welcome and wish him all success in this academy. Now the question is, why this academy? Green Trends known to be a key player in the market over 2 decades, and after having Green Trends which expanded across India, why this academy? See, basically when we are running the business, we always have seen or observed one thing is that there's a huge short of manpower, okay, and more than huge short of manpower, there are the manpower who are half skilled or their approach is traditional approach. I mean to say, most of the people has come either from the this industry background or say barber background, or they have stayed in a small beauty parlor where infrastructures, facilities are not available. So having seen all those things over 2 decades, we realize it is the high time that as a key player in this industry and from the corporate background, we should serve the industry. Okay, and there are education systems wherever these industry education systems wherever it is available, either they don't have the proper facilities or don't have the proper curriculum. As a result, when they are passing out, they are not able to do good in the on the floor, and also not because of their half skill, they are also not getting good salary. Okay, as a result, this industry is not being promoted, and as a result, they are also not finding this industry to be suitable. But as Deepak said, in 2000, the industry was around 600 crore, the beauty industry, and pre-pandemic in 2020, it was 98,500 crore industry, grooming industry. So this itself says that the data itself says how much industry is being grown over 2 decades time. So basic idea for us to make this young generation or whoever wanted to grow up in this industry, having wanted to get exposed in this industry, to prepare them from the beginning, grassroots level, give them proper education and proper education with scientific approach, and make them ready for the future. Okay, so this is the basic idea of doing this business and opening this academy. And as long as student is concerned, see, any students, any education system, the system will help you to learn better, and it is up to you how disciplined you are, how much you are dedicated towards the course you are going to, how much time you are giving towards that will make yourselves to be complete in the industry. Okay, so it is the rombo important that you should learn this thing properly, give your proper time, be disciplined, be dedicated on what you are doing. Okay, because you all are grown children, grown up, or young children, parents are not here to teach you or tell you every day what are you doing, what are you doing. It is up to you to observe all those things and make sure that you are getting out the best. Okay, so discipline and dedication is what is utmost requirement or expecting from all of you. Okay, we are here to facilitate all the facilities whatever we have. We are also ready to take you guys to our salon, Greenton Salon, which is #1 chain in across India, to get a job there. Okay, and as long as trainer is considered, they are well trained and they are also well trained and they are also well skilled to teach you what is required. So you have to just rely on them, learn whatever they are telling, and then go ahead in your future. Okay, so thank you all of you for coming here, and all the best for your career.